कलबुर्गी शहर में हुमनाबाद रिंग रोड मेहता लेआउट टीवी स्टेशन के करीब स्थित विजय ऑटोमोबाइल्स ने ऑटोमोबाइल्स क्षेत्र में एक और कदम बढ़ाया है और पूरे नॉर्थ कर्नाटक में पहली बार अल्टीग्रीन गुड्स कैरियर इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल का रिबन कट करके और दिया रोशन करके सिद्धप्पा कार्ले ने अल्टीग्रीन शोरूम का उद्घाटन किया। ये अल्टाग्रीन गाड़ी जो पूरी तरह से मेड इन इंडिया है, ये एक ईवी टेक्नोलॉजी से बनाई गई है और विजय ऑटोमोबाइल्स पहला डीलर है अल्टाग्रीन पूरे नॉर्थ कर्नाटक में। ये एक इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी है जो अन्य गाड़ियों से स्पीड है और इसका रेंज भी सबसे ज्यादा है और इसे 220 वोल्ट की सॉकेट पे भी लगाकर चार्ज कर सकते हैं। ये सिर्फ 3.5 घंटे में चार्ज होती है, उससे 151 किलोमीटर चलेगी और इसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस 220 मिलीमीटर है। इसके सामान लेकर जाने की काफी जगह बनाई गई है, लगभग 950 किलो वेट का सामान ले जा सकती है। इसके सभी इलेक्ट्रिकल सामान वाटरप्रूफ और डस्ट प्रूफ है और ये आपके बजट में भी फिट होगी। विजय ऑटोमोबाइल्स के मालिक सचिन कुमार मेहता, डॉक्टर अमिताभ शरण फाउंडर एंड CEO अल्टीग्रीन, प्रशांत शंकेश्वर हेड नेटवर्क डेवलपमेंट, श्रीधर भट्ट जोनल सेल्स हेड, अनूप पाई जोनल सर्विस हेड, निर्मल जोनल नेटवर्क हेड, मोहन और सचिन कुमार मेहता के रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स इस इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शन में मौजूद थे।
I would also like to welcome our esteemed customers, financiers and insurance partners, family and friends, and all our well-wishers for the first ever brand center inauguration of Vijay Automobiles for Altigreen in North Karnataka. This is integrated with sales, service, spare parts and charging facility with modern design to elevate the customer experience and conveniently located for our esteemed customers. We at Vijay Automobiles have been in automotive retail for prestigious automobile brands spread across North Karnataka since 1995 with a strong customer and people-centric value systems. We have always been the pioneers, be it in introducing the first diesel three-wheeler or the first jewelry brand under Tanishq in Kalaburagi. By associating with Altigreen, we are set to introduce yet another innovation that will help reduce the carbon footprint and protect the environment for all of us. Altigreen is leader in EV technology and solutions for last mile transportation. I am indeed very proud to be partnered with Altigreen in their mission of accelerating carbon-free transport and making it accessible and affordable to all. The company has already supplied vehicles to major e-commerce and the vehicles are running very efficiently. The e-commerce partners have greatly appreciated the technology and efficiency of the vehicles. I am delighted to announce ours is the first authorized dealership inauguration in entire North Karnataka for Altigreen. I along with my team will put all our efforts to serve and delight the customers with our services. Once again wholeheartedly welcome you all for this auspicious occasion today.
It's a very, very big thing for us because we are, of course, in our mission to make Indian cities greener. I'm going to give you an example of why this is very, very important and critical for our country. Most people don't realize India, 2.6 million people, 26 lakh people die every year in India because of air pollution. 26 lakh people every year in your country die because of air pollution. 25% of that air pollution is attributed to road transport. आप लोग ये ना सोचिए कि you are all insulated from this problem. We are all part of the problem, we are also part of the solution. 5 to 6 lakh people will die every year in this country because of road transport, the vehicles we drive. 5 to 6 lakh people every year. When 1 lakh people died of COVID, there was a national lockdown. 1 lakh national lockdown. 5 to 6 lakh every year have died and will continue to die. We need to make change happen now. Altigreen was started in 2013. We are not slow. World over, it takes 8 to 10 years to make good electric vehicle technology. During this time, many companies have started and many companies have folded also. Most of them import from abroad, try to do something here in the city, sell something, we'll see what happens, dekha jayega, right? The only thing it does, it gives a bad name to electric vehicles. Should not happen. From day one, we have been doing R&D. You were just told, Altigreen has 27 global patents that have been granted to it on its technologies. 27 global patents on the technology that has gone into this vehicle. देखने में सब एक सी लगती हैं. The important thing is, who are we competing against? I am not competing against any other electric vehicle. That is not the objective of my company. I am competing against fossil fuel, petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG. Why? They are the ones who are polluting. Why? Because they are very good vehicles. Please realize, we have been using them for decades. Why? बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी है. You can do whatever you feel like, overload, you can do whatever. It will perform. If electric vehicles are not as good, we have no right to use them. No right. And that is what we have been doing from day one in the electric category. Fastest. We launched this vehicle 2 years back. There are about 1,500 of them on Indian roads. They have seen 2 summers of Delhi. They have seen 2 rainfalls of Bangalore. They have seen coastal climates, everything. Right? 1,500 of them are in India already running by all these guys. It has the fastest speed, the longest range. You can charge in any 220 volts socket. सब लोग ये बोलते हैं charging नहीं है, charging नहीं है, charging नहीं है. Boss, to get LPG, CNG, diesel, petrol, आपको 2-3 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ेगा. 99% of India's villages are also electrified. All you need is 220 volt socket, and you can charge this vehicle in 3.5 hours. It has a faster charger. Normal घर का socket. 3.5 hours, no excuse whatsoever to not use electric. Longest range 151 kilometers, 3 hours. Right? Number 3, it has the highest ground clearance. सबको डर ये लगता है, पता नहीं electric vehicles will they work, will they not work, what will happen, will they break, this, that. Our ground clearance is higher than an SUV in India, 220 millimeters, unheard of. And the fourth and the most important thing, how will they earn money? Money is earned by how much weight and volume you can carry. And this is the weight and the volume, it's the largest in India.
So basically this EV vehicle and this Altigreen is introducing in northern part of Karnataka. It's the first showroom dealer in Kalaburagi. Still we don't have in Belgaum or Hubli Dharwad or any other cities. So I really congratulate Altigreen and Sachin Mehtaji for introducing this kind of vehicle. This EV is a very needy automobile sector because of the reason already have said the pollution and the transportation economy. The per kilo transportation is more cheaper than the traditional petrol or diesel engines. So unfortunately, as we have seen in Bangalore, including me, we are all suffering these lungs related and other related pollution issues. So this is a very chronic issue. Definitely, I am already suffering for this, and my family is suffering. I think most of the people who are residing in Bangalore, in main city center and area, they were suffering of this pollution. So, in order to avoid this kind of a pollution and have a better economy transportation, that is last mile connectivity. And nowadays, this is earlier 5-6 years back it was in laboratory. Now it is introduced for the domain for the purpose of last mile connectivity, and including the Altigreen and many other companies also have started to introduce EV vehicles. So once the EV vehicle will come, this traditional petrol and diesel will move. Ultimately, in India we can grow ourselves by avoiding this traditional engine transportation and by encouraging this EV. I find very recently near Bangalore airport a big charging station. I think how many of them sit, I don't know. So this is introducing new employment opportunity and new kind of innovative things like the total utilization of electric energy. Ultimately, especially in the cities like Bangalore or second tier cities, Mysore, Hubli, Dharwad, Mangalore, Kalaburagi, Belgaum, these cities requires this kind of EV vehicles. Really, Altigreen, and I came to know that he is a software engineer. So, have put in research of these EV vehicles. Really, I appreciate his concern to society. This is required because nowadays everything is affordable, but health is a very big criteria. So definitely in transport segment, this is one kind of evolution. So after 2000, we have in India mobile revolution and automobile revolution. So we have so many versions, variants like this. We are stepping into the EV vehicles as well as these hybrid vehicles. So definitely this will help. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಬರೋ EV ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ 100% ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಗ ಇರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಮೊಬಿಲಿಟಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಉದ್ದಿಮೆಯನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ, ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗಳು. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಮೆಹ್ತಾಜಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ PhD ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅನುಭವ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಟಿ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೊಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
To Mr. Sitappa Kale for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion with his esteemed presence. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Dr. Amitabh Sen, the founder and CEO Altigreen, for being here and sharing his thoughts on future mobility and his mission to make this planet carbon free. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to Mr. Prashant Sankeshwar, Head Network Development, Altigreen, for guiding us from concept to completion stage. I would also like to thank Mr. Sridhar Bhatt, Zonal Sales Head, Mr. Anup Pai, Zonal Service Head, Mr. Nirmal, Zonal Network Head, for their extended support and guidance in executing the entire project. May I also take this opportunity to thank the press and media partners, family, friends, near and dear ones for accepting our invite and being with us today. Let me also extend my heartfelt thanks to finance and insurance partners who have been the backbone of our success. The success journey of Vijay Automobiles could not have been possible without the cooperation and sincere efforts of our dedicated staff and personnel. So a warm thank you to all of you for making this event wonderful and contributing towards a greener Kalaburagi. Thank you, one and all.